In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve image quality in Canva. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design from the templates library. Pick any preset template that suits your project, whether it's a social post, presentation slide, or poster. Choosing the right canvas size up front helps you see how your improved image will actually look in context. So select something close to your final use. With your design open, head to the Uploads panel in the left sidebar. Upload the photo you want to enhance, then drag it onto your canvas to place it. If it's already on the page, great, make sure it's selected so you can see how it sits within your layout. Next, move to the Apps section on the left. In the search bar there, type Image Upscaler. Open the Image Upscaler app from the results. This tool increases the resolution of your photo while aiming to preserve detail, which is perfect for images that look soft, pixelated, or just a bit too small for your design. You'll see options to select a resolution multiplier: 2x, 4x, 8x, or 16x. These represent how much larger the image will become in terms of pixel dimensions. For this walkthrough, choose 8x. It's a strong boost that often delivers sharp results without ballooning the file size too much. If you're working with an extremely tiny original, higher settings can help, but they may take longer and can occasionally amplify noise. Click Upscale to begin processing. Give it a moment. Larger multipliers can take a little longer. When it's ready, you'll get a split preview with a slider. Drag the slider left and right to compare the before and after. Look closely at edges, textures, and small details, like hair, fabric, or fine lines. You want crispness without halos or overly smooth areas. If you're happy with the result, click Replace. This swaps the image on your canvas with the upscaled version automatically, so you don't have to reinsert or realign it. From here, adjust the size to fit your design. Use the corner handles to scale proportionally, and position it within your template's guides so it looks balanced and intentional. Avoid stretching from the sides, which can distort the image. If your template uses a frame, double-click to reposition the photo inside the frame for a perfect crop. That's it. You created a design, uploaded your image, opened Image Upscaler, chose 8x, previewed the results, replaced the original, and adjusted the size. This quick workflow is a reliable way to give your visuals a clean, high-resolution finish right inside Canva.